So welcome to Msheireb Downtown. This is in the middle of Doha. It's a newly constructed downtown. Because of FIFA, they have arranged a lot of shops. Raj wants to have an ice cream. He likes vanilla all the time. So we are moving towards the center of downtown. You can see everywhere locals, and I think just now the match finished from Saudi and Mexico, I believe. That's why you can see a lot of Saudi fans. We are looking for a restaurant which Leila likes it very much, which is ramen. Even a mini football court. This downtown is a project from Sheikha Musa. She's the wife of the first Amir. And now we are going towards the center. There's a ramp going to the metro. We parked our car at the basement. There is no roadside parkings, which is good. You can see Taliban drivers everywhere. The good thing is you can walk and see all the places here, and all the restaurants are nearby. Though it's a bit expensive, but it's tasty. Once in a blue moon is okay. And you can see different nationalities. The picture you're seeing on the wall, that is Laib. It's an official mascot for FIFA World Cup. The climate is not that cold. This time it's supposed to be like 20 degrees and all, but in the car it was showing like 28 degrees. That is a tree which is made with some flowers, I guess. And it changes the color. Let's go there. You can see the roads are full of fans. This is it. We're going back home. Another day, another fan zone. See you.